Hello, my name is Anthony Vidana. I was an engineer at Seal Beach, where they made the second stage of the Saturn missile or rocket. Here is the facilities. They were actually broken in two sections, one where they made the product and the other where the engineering and labs were. Why this facility was important, it did the second stage. Now, the second stage, it's a rocket, and there's another rocket, and there's another rocket on this Saturn. And the first stage got lit, did all the flaming, and got the juices out, and it got the spacecraft a certain height. And the second stage was the one that gave it the boost to get out into space, and it gave it like 55% of the energy needed to get out of the Earth's atmosphere. And the third stage was they call it the fourth, but anyway, the next stage was to get it go all the way to the moon. So without this stage, they couldn't have reached the moon. So it was really essential part of this Saturn rocket and the Apollo program. Anyway, these people were involved in making which was us. We were making the parts and that particular assembly, which was really a difficult thing. It was they had a lot of structural problems that they had to challenge because of weights and the fuels they had in there. And they accomplished all this thing. We all did it. We did our best job. I was electrical, so electronics, and we did all the testings and things of that nature. We had this test console that was similar to Saturn's one they had at the Cape, and it was an important job. And this is the testing building there. They call it S15. But we had a lot of people working there, and that's the actual front. We can see the testing going on there. So these are the people that were involved in doing the different work and jobs at the plant. They finally got it all done, and they would ship it off to the Cape, and they would use that naval station that was close by. Anyway, this is the end of my video. I think I'm going to terminate it now, and thank you for watching it, and goodbye.